This is a love reading for you, Leo, for you and your love interest. Maybe it is your spouse, or if you're dating, then your boyfriend or girlfriend, or somebody you have a crush on, or just someone you want to get back with, your ex. So, this is a general reading. Everything will not apply or resonate with all Leo as it is, and whatever may will vary in the intensity. So, let us see how are the cards for you, Leo, you and your partner. Who are you in the relationship? Who is your partner in the relationship? What is the strength or challenges you bring, your partner brings? How do you see your partner? How does your partner see you? What is the strength or challenges, or what is the hope or fear you have about the future with your partner? Likewise, what is the hope or fear your partner has about you? What is the past you are coming from, your partner is coming from, and how's overall the reading? So, let us see. You're feeling a bit under the weather, Leo. It's almost like you have dropped a certain opportunity which was coming your way, or you missed taking a certain offer letter or offer to join into a partnership or broker into some situation financially. So I'm just saying you have made a miss, and this was coming from an absolute stranger who was willing to give you some money, either to start some business or to help you with something, and you either did not trust the stranger or this person, or you had your lot of doubts. You did not take this opportunity up. When I see your partner, he or she is very well read, very well read, has lot of courage, and is very well rounded, and your partner is experiencing lot of good life and good luck. So you seem to have missed on some part of good luck while your partner has just completely grabbed it. So, and it is also because your partner is very well read and very well traveled, looks after how they look, and just about everything. And he or she is a believer in destiny, that you know the good times do come around, and he or she is experiencing a lot of good life. Your partner could be at a very big job situation or must be doing very good business wise. I'm just saying something is working out very well and very easily for your partner. So you are feeling a little bit under the weather, Leo, and I'm just saying that some of you may have said a no to engagement or pregnancy. It's quite possible. So this is how the the two of you are in the relationship. Now, what is the strength and challenges you bring and your partner brings? One, you are not always waiting for each other's nod or consent to do things. Also, I am saying that both your families or friends give the two of you a lot of space. It's not like your friends are criticizing your partner, or your partner's family, extended family or friends are criticizing you, Leo. It's not happening like that. They give you a lot of space, and you come from a very secure place. I'm just seeing here is you have a very loving and trusting family bond, and people who give you a lot of good advice. So you also come from a very good background, Leo. It's quite possible that you went to a good college and then you started out on a good salary, or you're about to start out on a good salary. I'm seeing that you're coming from a very good background, or from a very good education, and you have this very supportive, understanding people who are helping you, you know make things work, or go small then go big quickly, something like that. I'm just seeing is you have a lot of support and love from the family. So your strength is you have a lot of anchors and loving people around you other than your partner as well. He or she is already very supportive and is at a very good position and is doing well, but you also have your family and friends who love you and are very supportive of you. Your partner is sometimes influenced by someone. I'm just seeing here is a person who forever keeps talking money to your partner. Now, this could be a friend, it could be some business partner, just somebody in the extended family. He or she is forever talking about money and that how money is needed for luxury or how money is important. Make sure you have enough money. So, this is some kind of influence your partner has from this person who's forever on and on talking about money and how money is important. Maybe it could be bothering you some bit. I'm not sure. I don't see that influence coming to you just yet. But there is a lot of talk that is coming from somebody either in the friend circle or extended family or work wise to your partner. But the good part is your partner doesn't seem to be sharing that with you. Now, how do you see your love interest and how does your partner see you, Leo? He or she, your partner, is somebody who's not money minded. And this is how you also see your partner, Leo. So, this person keeps talking about money to your partner, and you also agree with this person. I don't know who this is. It could be an aunt also in the family, or it could be the mother. But I'm just seeing that your partner does not seem to have much of a money sense or wanting a lot of money. So you see your partner as someone who's exceptionally talented with a lot of skill, but just doesn't seem to want to make a lot of money. So you have some disappointments with your partner that despite the going is so good and such midas touch or such nice work situation or loved by everybody and praised so heavily, your partner doesn't seem to develop a lot of money sense. So you also want your partner to make a lot of money, and some of you worry that your partner, because he or she is not money minded, that he or she may not save enough for the retirement or the old age. So this could be one of the reasons why the two of you could be fighting, or you may be having some kind of arguments or discontent about in the relationship or even the marriage. Your partner sees you as very, very dependable, somebody who does not take any risk at all with money or a job situation. You are someone who would go very, very safe, sound, and dependable with money, and that's how your partner sees you, Leo. Your partner sees you as someone who has a very good work situation, makes enough money to have a good life, and sometimes your partner also feels that you're a little bit boring, Leo, that you love the routine, you love your 9 to 5 job or whatever that work that you do. Your partner is somebody expert at something. Maybe he or she is a musician, works with some kind of people or animals or a cause. He or she is not a 9 to 5 job person, but you are. And your partner sees you as a bit boring sometimes, or how you're happy with a routine job that you're holding. So, as a partner, you want to develop a lot of money sense, or have maybe increase a certain fee that you're charging, because I'm seeing a lot of people, or maybe there is this particular person, maybe it's the lady in the house, or maybe it's a father figure, even a man in the house, somebody in the extended family who's talking money sense, and Leo is also telling you that you're not saving or making enough money. So you need to be getting your hand around the finances, partner. Now, what is the hope or fear your partner has about you, Leo, about the future, and what do you have as a hope or fear about the future with your partner. I don't know why, but the two of you are not yet convinced about the future together. I'm seeing that as a partner, you feel that Leo will not come and meet you emotionally even halfway. Why you feel like this is not known to me, but I'm just saying that your fear is Leo will leave you emotionally dejected. And Leo, you feel somehow this may not work out as a relationship, or this could just not materialize into an engagement or a marriage. Or if you are married, then you're finding having one more child difficult. Maybe you already have a child, and then I'm just saying that having one more child is looking difficult for you. Just that you both have certain complaints. So you both need to talk it out, sort it out, because future wise you both have some complaints with each other, and it's not looking as rosy and nice as your other cards are. Now, what is the past you are coming from, and what is the past your partner is coming from? You both said no to a lot of people. You took your time to say yes to this partner or be with this partner, and your partner took just as much time to say yes and to be with you. So, you both are very, very picky and very, very sure of what you want. So, you both in the past said no to a lot of people, especially you, Leo, and your partner also said no to a lot of people. And I'm just saying that you two did find a good connection and now you're together, but then this is still a marriage or a relationship at work. So you both took a lot of time. Maybe you both have dated for a very long time, or you both were together for a very long time before marriage happened or engagement happened, or just that you both moved in together or whatever. It just took a lot of time getting to know each other and then making the move. You both were very, very picky and you wanted to be sure about the other person. Now, how's overall the love reading? Okay. Usually I don't get this kind of guidance, or when the cards are good, I'm surprised I get this guidance. One of you is feeling very controlled, that you're very controlled in this relationship. That one of you does not let the other person speak as much, or discuss it as much, and doesn't let you see as much, or ask as many questions. So either you, Leo, or your partner is feeling controlled and stifled in this relationship. Frankly, if it is not working, maybe take a time out, be by yourself, and then come back, because this is not how this relationship can progress with this energy. One of you is feeling very, very controlled and contained. It's almost like you have to ask even for the smallest thing, that can I go here today, can I wear this today, or I just spoke to him or her for few minutes, can I speak to this person. It's just a very controlling relationship. It must be killing the both of you. Maybe it's both of you doing this to each other, but it's just it can't go on go for a long term like this. You both need to give each other a lot of space, and you can't be controlling the other person like this. I don't know who is controlling, or maybe the two of you are asking way too many questions and micro managing this relationship and emotions. You need to give a bit of a free hand. So this is how I see the reading for you, Leo, and your love interest.